Hey there, moneymakers and dream chasers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's on everyone's mind: how to become rich in 2023. Get ready for some motivation and actionable tips to turn your financial dreams into reality. Before we dive into the practical steps, let me share a powerful motivational story that will ignite the fire within you. Once upon a time, there was a young, ambitious individual named Alex. Alex came from a humble background, dreaming of a life filled with abundance and prosperity. However, life threw many challenges their way. Alex struggled to make ends meet, facing financial hardships and setbacks. But amidst all the difficulties, Alex never lost sight of the dream to become financially free. One day, while scrolling through YouTube, Alex stumbled upon a video just like this one. It was all about unlocking the secrets to financial success in 2023. The video shared powerful insights that resonated deeply with Alex's aspirations. That video became the turning point in Alex's life. They decided to take charge of their financial destiny and embark on a journey of learning and growth. Now let's uncover the secrets that transformed Alex's life and can do the same for you in 2023. 1. Set clear goals. Begin by defining your financial goals with crystal clarity. Visualize where you want to be by the end of 2023 and create a roadmap to get there. 2. Budgeting and saving. Create a budget to track your expenses and identify areas where you can save. Even small changes can make a significant impact on your savings. 3. Invest wisely. Educate yourself about different investment options and start investing your money strategically. Let your money work for you and grow over time. 4. Embrace continuous learning. Knowledge is power. Stay updated with the latest financial trends and educate yourself about money management. 5. Take calculated risks. Opportunities often come with risks. Learn to assess and take calculated risks to propel your financial journey forward. 6. Network and seek mentorship. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals and seek guidance from mentors who have achieved financial success. Following these secrets, Alex started seeing positive changes in their life. With determination and perseverance, they transformed their finances and unlocked new opportunities. Alex's journey teaches us that with the right mindset and actions, anyone can achieve financial abundance in 2023 and beyond. Now it's your turn. Share in the comments below which secret resonates with you the most, and what financial goal you're striving for in 2023. Remember, becoming rich in 2023 is not just about money. It's about taking control of your life, pursuing your passions, and achieving financial freedom. Thank you for joining us on this motivational journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming videos packed with more valuable insights.